Hi everyone, so this is our lesson plan for December 10th, 2020. This is kind of what we did in class. We looked at our essential question, which is how do literary elements like symbolism help impact our understanding of the characters in the novel? We were looking at symbolism, continuing it, and starting to apply it to the Hunger Games. So we did a little bit of symbolism breakdown and some group work today in class. Again, missing assignments for this class is to make sure you have those weekly assignments due on Sunday. And again, if you are joining the Catching Fire Book Club, to go ahead and fill that out. So as a recap, symbolism is what person, animal, place, or thing is being pointed out or highlighted the most, and then what is being said about this person, place, or thing. These create our symbolic interpretations. They stand out to us the most. In class, we found some symbolism in the Hunger Games, such as the Mockingjay, which is the most famous. We have the dandelion, medicine, mutts, the games themselves, the three-finger salute. In Team 1, they were able to find a quote. They were able to kind of break down the symbolism as a salute to honor and respect. Team 2 was really able to come up with a lot in terms of the Mockingjay. They had a lot of different quotes, really looking at the impact that the Mockingjay represents Katniss's memories, it represents District 12, and it represents home. So that's just kind of what we did today in order to look at it and attach it to the lesson. And then for our exit ticket, we just shared some symbols we saw from the movies or in real life. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to reach out to me or Ms. Arroyo. We'll help you out with that.